What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I'm going to unbox 5 pocket axes. Let's see what they're all about. For the first pocket axe I got one of this. I can't really pronounce what it says on it, this is why I'm gonna just ignore it. But check this out, there is actually a folding axe. Can you believe it? Looks like it's a little bit used. I got it off of eBay. I love eBay because you can find little vintage items like that. So you got yourself a folding knife. I guess I have to open this one first. Boom. You can close it, and folding axe. Can you believe this? This is really sharp. Wow. This is funny. I don't know what you would use this because it's so small. Maybe like a little throwing knife, maybe like chop a small sticks or something, but this is just cool. For the next pocket axe, this is I think 13-in-1 multi-tool axe. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. This thing forever been very expensive. They are finally a lot cheaper than they used to be, like 50% or more. I think this thing is like $7. But yeah, if you remove this, again, pretty sharp mini axe on this side, kinda funny, pretty hefty at the same time, so you could use it as a hammer easily. But at the same time, check this out, there's pliers too. Boom, and you got yourself pliers. That's so funny. And you can close that, and let's see what else you got here. An axe, screwdriver, saw, bottle opener, mini wrenches, nail file, and another saw. Boom. Again, very interesting and funny axe tool. It's pretty much same as this one, but I would say this one is a little bit more durable. We'll chop a bunch of sticks with this one as well, but it is really cool that hammer and the pliers definitely would be very useful. Okay, and let's see what this one is all about. This is also a multi-tool. I guess I can chop these little pieces. Oh wow, look, it chopped through these zip ties super easily. Wow, this is funny. Okay, this is just a box with foam. It is similar to this one, but a little bit different. There's a little protector. Again, pretty sharp axe. I was gonna call it a knife. Definitely an axe. A hammer down here. And let's see what kind of tools it got. Little screwdriver, boom. A regular knife. A saw blade. Screwdriver, nail file, and a bottle opener. So yeah, exactly same as this one, except this one have a pliers on top of it. In case you don't care about pliers, you can get one of these ones. But yeah, this little axe is just cute, don't you guys think? I don't know why would they make it, but I think it's just cool novelty item, especially this one. Look how much it's sticking out. Definitely awesome novelty item. Okay, what else we got here? Oh, this one is funny too. This one very interesting, actually supposed to be pretty useful. Feels like very durable materials. Let's see how it opens. Boom, and there you go, there is your axe and a knife. This is very sharp blade right here, pretty much like a knife blade, and you hold it like this and you can axe chop bunch of stuff, use it like a knife. But yeah, this is how it folds out. There's a little clamp that you can stick it on your pants or backpack, and to close it you want to be careful, close it like that. We're gonna put that to the test in a little bit as well, chop bunch of sticks. And I think the most serious pocket knife is this one. This is pretty small, probably the smallest that actually usable. Look at that, you see, it works as a box opener. Definitely gotta be careful not to cut yourself because it's very sharp. But yeah, works really well. Comes with a little holder. Boom, wow, this is definitely very useful hatchet, but it is so small it barely fits in my hand, the handle. Almost right away there's a axe coming up. Very, very short handle, but at the same time pretty decent size of an axe. And there's a finger holders in case you can use it like something like a knife, or you can use it like that, so that way you have a little bit more swing. I have here wine. It's good for the fire. It is very, very small, so the recoil is pretty bad. Every time I hit it, it hurts my hand quite a bit. So as you can see, we're not really making lots of improvement. It's gonna take me forever to chop through a little stick like this. But there you go, it is possible. But I don't know if it's actually that useful. It just takes forever. It's just a really unique and cool knife to me instead. I don't know, maybe you need to chop stuff up like this. It works. But about chopping like an axe, it's just too small in my opinion. Probably need some bigger. Makes sense, right? Really interesting folding axe. Something a lot more useful probably would be hatchet like this. There you go, few swings and we chop it to two pretty easily. This is much thicker stick right here. It just goes through all the way. There you go. This side here, something much thicker. Yeah, this one is definitely very useful. I like it. And if you need to carve, you can hold it like this and carve it with this mini hatchet. Maybe make bunch of feathers, bunch of dust, so you can start a fire. Really nice, definitely most useful pocket axe right here. Look at that. Again, it's just easier to just break it off versus chopping it like this with your hands. This one is actually chopping better than the other ones because it has a little bit of leverage. I don't have to worry about smashing my fingers. There you go. I don't think they meant to chop firewood or anything like that. This is just a souvenir, a collector's item. Well guys, now I have a mini collection of pocket axes. Most of them are more like a novelty item to show off to your friend and family. They're just cute and fun. But a couple of them are more useful, like this one too. This one is just very weird and unique. I never seen anything like that. It's more like a knife. Can't really chop too much, but still very interesting knife and very sharp, so be careful. But most useful pocket knife I would call is this one. Comes with a guard, so that way you can actually put it into the pocket or into the bag without cutting anything else. So for sure I really like this one a lot. Small hatchet, not really an axe. This is just cool. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.